Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows, and as you can see I am in the garage once more. Today I am bringing you some news. It's a follow-up to one of my, well, it's the most popular, most viewed video that I've put out so far on my channel, and that was the video about the Shimano Deore mountain bike brake, where I dismantled it because the piston had seized up. And looked into how difficult it was to remove the lever and that nasty hinge pin that Shimano had manufactured, the one they don't want you to service. So have a little look at a little montage of my old video. Okay, so here I have my M615 Shimano brake lever. This is I-Spec B, so your shifter hangs off the bottom there. It became apparent to me when I was doing a brake bleed that the piston inside this lever is getting stuck. So if I insert something down there and push, you will see the brake lever spring back. See? Some of the head off, and now if you look very closely you can just start to see that there is an inner shaft, which I'm hoping with a punch I should be able to knock through now. Knocked out the pin. The rocker's out, and take that out. The lever comes out. The roller in there that's attached to a push rod comes out by attaching the pliers like that and twisting it and removing it. There. Okay, so there is the circlip out, and there is the piston from inside of the actual brake lever itself. And there is so much grit and debris on there, no wonder it was getting jammed. Here you can see that the now cleaned piston moves freely back and forth inside the body of the brake. Okay, so in that video you saw me with this brake lever. This is the Shimano Deore BL615, and I took the brake lever off by grinding the head off of this pin, and this pin is the trouble. So when you do that you can service the brake lever, get it functioning, put it all back together, but you can only drop this pin in and let it sort of stay in place through gravity and friction alone. There's no way of subsequently then securing it because you've ground off the head of it, and it's a bit of a problem. What inevitably then happens, you'll probably found out if you've done it yourself, is that the little collar that goes on the underside of that hinge pin to keep it in a good position falls away because there's literally nothing there anymore to hold it in place. And then over time, whilst the brake lever still functions fine, the pulling of the lever puts pressure on that hinge pin, which is no longer supported at its bottom end, and inevitably that pin bends. So not an ideal scenario. Well, the big news is that during the course of the last year I've been working on a replacement hinge pin, and I shall soon be bringing you a video showing you this new pin and how it works, and how easy it is then to subsequently maintain your brake lever. And with a little bit of luck on my part, I shall hopefully be putting these pins on eBay so that you can purchase them and you can benefit from the ability to service your brake lever in the way that Shimano didn't want you to. Courtesy of me. There you go. So keep your eyes peeled for my latest video detailing that, and I shall see you soon. Cheers.